Are you ready to move and you're thinking about using your current house as a short-term rental instead of selling it? 28% of homeowners have considered it. So you aren't alone. Having an extra income stream is very tempting, but a recent bankrate article makes it clear. Managing a rental property can be time consuming and challenging. So before you make the decision, understand why it may be better to just sell. First, owning a short-term rental comes with responsibilities. These includes property maintenance, tenant screening, and more. Plus, you face the risk like property damages, regulatory violations, complaints from neighbors. And second of all, not every house is suitable for a short-term rental, especially if your neighborhood isn't proper travel destination. You need to research how desirable your location is to know if you'll be able to achieve your financial goals. So while renting out your house may seem like a good investment, it could be better to sell it instead. Reach out to me to learn how sellers are winning right now in our local market. Until next time, peace.